Don't text and drive. A class action lawsuit against the MTA calls for more elevator access in the city's subway system. Today, a civil court will hold a hearing about the lawsuit, and riders with disabilities are expected to rally outside the courthouse. CBSN New York's Jenna DeAngelis is in Lower Manhattan with more on this story. Jenna, good morning.
Good morning, Alex. Advocates are hoping a ruling will be made today on that lawsuit against the MTA. They're calling for elevators in all New York City subway stations. Several nonprofit organizations and individuals are behind the class action lawsuit filed in 2017. They argue that riders with mobility disabilities face frequent elevator outages, that the MTA fails to maintain its elevators, and riders are given no alternate accommodations. Of the 472 subway stations in New York City, the MTA says only 120 are currently equipped with elevators. A federal judge ruled back in March that the MTA must comply with regulations under the Americans with Disabilities Act and install elevators in all subway stations under renovation. Advocates point to a case back in January when mother Malaysia Goodson died after falling down subway station stairs carrying her daughter in a stroller. The medical examiner determined a medical episode may have contributed to her death, but her family believes an elevator could have saved her. Following the tragedy, the MTA pledged to install 50 elevators in existing subway stations within the next 5 years, but supporters want action now. So they plan to hold a rally here and then head into that hearing where they're hoping a decision will be made. In Lower Manhattan, Jenna DeAngelis, CBSN, New York.